おいしい？見せそれサクと鳥？できた？
ピーマン。
The candles glow, your laughter shines. Another year, another line. Stories written side by side. I'm glad you're here in my life. Your gentle smile lights the day. The world feels brighter in this way. No treasure is worth more than your name. I'm grateful you came. So let's raise a glass tonight to the joy that you bring into mine. Happy birthday, love, it's you I celebrate. Every heartbeat sings, it feels so great. For the gift that you, I'll always say, I wanna share this day, year after year. Through all the seasons we have grown, your hand in mine feels like my home. The years may change, but still I see you're everything to me. So let's paint the sky tonight with the colors that your soul ignites. Happy birthday, love, your heart is true. Every melody returns to you. For the gift of life. I walk through the seasons with laughter and tears, gathered the echoes of all I held dear, painted in moments too subtle to name. Some stayed in silence, some burned into flame. Footsteps that wandered, then circled back home. Faces that shimmer like light on a stone. There's comfort in knowing I've danced through the rain, yet traces remain that I couldn't explain. And when the stillness leaves in close, I breathe it in, not holding tight. If time is a whisper that drifts through the trees, let me be a leaf, let me fall with peace. Though I have more, I will dare to believe. I've already lived more than dreams could conceive. Some doors I open, some stay just ajar. Some wishes unraveled beneath a faint star. But even the cracks let the morning break through, and I wouldn't trade what I thought I once knew. So if the sky forgets my name, I'll still look up the same way. If time is a river that knows where to go, let me be the stone it quietly flows. Though hope is a flicker that fights in the haze, I'll carry. 'Chairs left a little askew on the lawn. Laughter still humming where the footprints are gone. A ribbon caught on a branch like a secret. The way you turn like you already knew. The table was scattered with half-finished wine. A breeze moved slow like it was keeping time. You brushed a crumb from your sleeve, still smiling, and I memorized the sky quietly shining. Did you feel it too? How the world leaned in, how silence held more than the violence. We were caught in that kind of light, where joy doesn't need to be loud. Every color felt just right, as if the clouds had stepped aside somehow. And though it's gone, it never quite leaves. It lingers like the warmth on your sleeve. Oh, I found a pedal tucked into my coat, a moment that stayed while the hours flowed. No vows, no speeches, just glances and hush, like the whole day was built on a gentle rush. You tilted your head like a question unasked, but I understood some things never need masks. We were held in that kind of light, where the quiet said more than the cheers. Every breath felt deep and wide, and time folded in like it's done for years. Even now I still can't believe some days are meant just to be received. No frames could capture what drifted there, but I keep it between heartbeats and air. Not to relive it, but just to